Hurricane Katrina was a Category 5 monster storm. It was the most destructive hurricane to hit the United States. It did more damage than any other natural disaster in U.S. history. It caused $108 billion in damage. Insurance only covered $80 billion of the losses. Katrina's true cost was $250 billion, according to the University of North Texas professor Bernard Weinstein. He includes both the damage and its economic impact. Weinstein estimated uninsured losses at $215 billion and insured losses at $35 billion. After Katrina, the U.S. economy went from a growth of 3.8% to a decline of 1.3% in the fourth quarter. It damaged 19% of U.S. oil production by destroying 113 offshore oil and gas platforms. This caused oil prices to increase by $3 a barrel, and gas prices almost reached $5 a gallon. The hurricane also caused $260 million damage to New Orleans port, although it was open to ships a week later. It also destroyed 40% of the sugar crop, with the American Sugarcane League estimating the annual crop value at $500 million. It displaced 770,000 residents. The city's tourism industry generated $9.6 billion a year before Katrina. It attracted 7.1 million visitors each year. It only received 2.6 million tourists in 2006. Today, New Orleans is healthy and thriving. It has made a full recovery and is now back to normal. People have flocked back to the city and tourism has increased. A report from the University of New Orleans found people were flocking back to the city, with a record 10 million people visiting in 2017.